The 1000 LB Sisters fandom is in complete shock as Tammy Slaton has officially confirmed that she is engaged to her girlfriend Andrea Dalton, and it's only been 2 months since the two started dating. The TLC reality star, known for her dramatic weight loss transformation, health battles, and emotional relationship journeys, made the announcement in a way that has left both supporters and critics buzzing across social media. Tammy, 38, revealed the big news during a surprise Instagram live session, casually flashing a sparkling engagement ring as Andrea sat beside her, grinning from ear to ear. The couple, who first went public with their romance in June, have been the subject of constant speculation due to their whirl-in relationship timeline. Many fans initially thought Tammy was simply enjoying a summer fling after her previous breakup, but it now appears things have taken a much more serious turn. "She's my person, my forever, my everything," Tammy gushed during the live stream, her tone a mixture of excitement and defiance toward those who doubt her relationship. Andrea, who sported a black cap and a casual hoodie, leaned in and kissed Tammy on the cheek, confirming that the feelings are mutual. According to insiders close to the couple, Andrea proposed during a quiet evening at Tammy's home in Kentucky. Why? With just a few friends present to witness the moment. It wasn't some big, over-the-top thing, a source told a tabloid. Andrea knows Tammy values real, personal moments over flashy displays, so she wanted it to be private, meaningful, and just about them. The engagement comes after Tammy's dramatic health turnaround following weight loss surgery and subsequent skin removal procedures, which fans have seen play out on recent seasons of 1000 LB Sisters. In past interviews, Tammy has spoken about how her improved health has given her new energy and a brighter outlook on life, something she says made her ready to take a leap of faith in love again. "I'm not the same person I was before," Tammy explained in a recent TikTok video. "I've grown, I've learned, and I've realized I deserve happiness. Andrea gives me that." Fans who have followed Tammy's journey from being wheelchair-bound and dependent on oxygen to now traveling, dating, and living independently say they can see a new glow about her. But not everyone is convinced the engagement is a good idea. Social media has been flooded with mixed reactions, with some expressing genuine happiness for the couple, while others warn that moving so quickly could be a recipe for heartbreak. "I love Tammy and I want her to be happy, but 2 months. That's a little scary," one fan wrote on Reddit. "I hope Andrea's intentions are real." Another commenter added, "They look so in love, and I'm rooting for them." People doubted Tammy before and she proved everyone wrong. Maybe she'll do it again. This isn't Tammy's first high-profile relationship. She was previously married to Caleb Willingham, who she met in rehab, but the marriage ended less than a year later. The split was followed by a series of rumored romances, but none seemed to stick, until Andrea came along. Andrea, who has kept her personal life relatively private compared to Tammy, is described by friends as loyal, grounded, and fiercely protective of those she loves. Reports suggest she has been a consistent source of emotional support for Tammy, even accompanying her to medical appointments and helping her adjust to life after major surgery. The TLC network has yet to comment on whether Tammy and Andrea's engagement will be featured in the upcoming season of 10,000 LB Sisters, but given the show's track record of documenting Tammy's milestones, it's almost certain that cameras will be rolling. Producers know that relationship storylines drive huge ratings, and this unexpected engagement is bound to be a centerpiece of the new episodes. Meanwhile, Tammy has been unapologetically posting loved-up photos and videos of herself with Andrea, including one where they're holding hands at a local fair and another of them singing along to a country ballad in the car. "I'm in my soft girl era," Tammy captioned one recent Instagram reel, complete with heart emojis. As for wedding plans, Tammy says nothing is set in stone yet, but she's already got a vision in mind. "I want something small but special," she revealed. "Family, close friends, maybe a little barbecue after. I'm not about to spend thousands on a dress I'll only wear once." If there's one thing Tammy's supporters know, it's that she's fiercely independent and not afraid to make bold decisions, even if they raise eyebrows. And while 2 months may seem fast for an engagement, Tammy insists that when you know, you know. "We're adults, we've been through a lot, and life is too short to waste," she told fans. I'd rather take a chance and be happy than sit around waiting for some perfect timeline that doesn't exist. Whether this engagement leads to a happily ever after or another chapter in Tammy's rollercoaster love life, one thing's for sure, she's not afraid to live authentically and on her own terms. For a woman who has spent years fighting for her health, independence, and self-worth, perhaps this bold leap is exactly what she needs. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.